In primetime news this evening, KD Knight produces what he says is the original audio after threatening legal action against the JLP.
PNP manifesto launch underway.
And a driver involved in fatal crash which claimed the life of Lester Coke living in fear. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, ground has been broken for the construction of the Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay Resort. And at that ceremony, the Prime Minister cautioned tourism interests, that's the investors, against labor exploitation. I'll have that and more in the Business Day.
And in the big show today, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in sports. It's good news.
Yes. Track and field.
Thank you, Archie and Janella. Well, the West Indies have won their ODI series against Pakistan, and Jamaican athletes produced some absolutely outstanding performances in Budapest on Tuesday. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
So good.
It's the West Indies that's causing the rain.
I don't know what it is, but keep it coming. And speaking of rain, Here, I'm rhyming. Rain Romaine is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Thanks, Archie. No, we do have rainfall that is expected to continue occurring across the island, especially across western parishes. But we do have an increase in wind speeds across the south, so we're looking for slightly drier conditions over the next 2 days or so across eastern sections of the island. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
I didn't say, but I believe there's a hurricane somewhere about the place. You have to listen to the weather report and forecast later on to find out. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, what's your opinion on the role political manifestos play in shaping your vote?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. And I'm quite interested in the answers to this question. We also have a live coming from one of the manifesto sites and launches later on. But we'll tell you more of that when Primetime returns.
After this break.